In this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in this brand new airdrop called Pixelverse AirDrop by just using your phone. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first thing you have to do is to go to your browser, any browser of your choice. I'm going to choose Chrome. So I'm going to leave the link of this page in the description so you can go and check it out. The Pixelverse AirDrop page. I'm going to leave it below. So now I'm going to put my Gmail and I'm going to sign in. I'm going to sign in. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Now it's going to show me, they sent me a code and in my Gmail. Now I'm going to go to my Gmail and click on it. Just wait a little bit so that I'm going to see the email. Just wait a little bit. Just wait. So now I'm going to click on that three button right in the middle because of I've not seen it. Now I'm going to search on all mail because I'm waiting for the code for it to send the code. As you can see now, I've not seen their code. So here's what is the trick that I'm going to do. The first thing I have to do now is to click on this three little button and go to this place in your Gmail that's called spam. As you can see, now you can see when you check your spam in your Gmail, you will see the verification code. As you can see, my verification code is loading. Now what I'm going to do now is going to copy this code and go to the website and paste this code. Alright. So basically this is the airdrop page. As you can see, it's literally like the airdrop page. So as you can see, it's the airdrop page. You can see my Gmail. I can change bio if I want to, and you can see some different reaction. So just wait a little bit. Let me show you a little very important thing. As you can see, you can connect your wallet if you want to. You can connect your MetaMask wallet or your wallet connect wallet if you want to, but I'm not going to be connecting it in this video. But if you want to, you can connect. As you can see, this is a very fresh airdrop. That's why most of the thing you click, it's going to be showing you coming. As you can see, you can invite friends if you want. As you can see, this is my referral link. I'm going to leave it down in the description if you want to actually use mine. Now I clicked on tax and you can see the tax that they have. They don't really have any much tax because of it's just a very new airdrop that they have, and most of the things you click it, you will notice that it will show coming soon. So now what we're going to do, which is a very important step, keep note, is that we're going to go to their Telegram channel. Their Telegram channel is where the main airdrop is. Better don't miss this part. As you can see, I've gone to their Telegram channel and it's waiting a little bit. Just wait until it connects. It's updating. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. As you can see, now you can see that the airdrop page have gone. As you can see. So now the first thing you have to do now is going to click on launch bot. Remember this, don't click on any other place. Click on launch box. So now I'm going to click on launch bot and I'm going to press start. Now just wait a little bit. So now as you can see, it's loading. Just take your time and watch this video. And as you're watching this video right now, I just want to say that I'm going to bring out more airdrop like this, and so I would advise you to like subscribe. So now as you can see now, the way you're going to be earning is just like not coin. You have to just be clicking the bot, so that you're going to earn more points. You understand? So that you're going to earn more points. This is basically the airdrop. This is just like it's the first time in the airdrop. So now I'm going to go now and click on tax. As you can see, you can just see the different tax they have for you to earn more of this FI token. If you want, you can like follow them or stuff like that. And now I'm going to click on bot if you want to upgrade the bot that you have, this clicking stuff if you want to. Now, and you can click on referral if you want to refer more people. So basically, this is basically the main airdrop when it's launched. So we're going to go back and click on join community. when you click on join community, it's going to show you to their Telegram community, and now click on join. You better join, because of so that when anytime they launch or any kind of stuff happen, you are going to know, you're going to be like the first to know, so that you are going to claim your money fast, which is really really good. So yeah. So we are going to go back, and I'm going to show you an very important thing. You click on extra point in dashboard, and now click on it. It's going to go show you to the browser, their browser. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to link your Telegram to their web browser together. This is very important, so that it's going to be recording your points that you have or any kind of thing. Now you just have to just wait for it to load. Just wait a little bit. Now what you're going to click on is edit. Now the thing you are going to edit first is your username or your bio. But now I'm going to edit my bio. I'm going to put, wait, let me remember what I'm going to put. I'm going to put yo subscribe, so that, yeah, sure, you should subscribe. Now this is the most important thing. You should connect your Telegram with this website, so that you are going to get 200 points, and so that they are going to be tracking your points. And that's it for this airdrop. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and bye for now.